In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up your thank you coupon offer on Etsy. And if it's the first time you're hearing about it, it is one of Etsy's targeted offers that automatically sends a discount code to your buyers after they complete a purchase, thanking them and giving them a reason to come back and buy from you again, because repeat buyers are easier and cheaper to convert than new ones. And this feature runs completely on autopilot once it's set up. Let me show you how to set it up in less than a minute. Wherever you're on Etsy, just click on Shop Manager on the top, and on the left, once again, click on Marketing, Sales and Discounts, and there you're gonna see a thank you offer. As you can see, mine is 50% off because it's really aggressive. It has 62 emails sent and just one time used. Because the digital products on the shop are very niche and people just buy whatever they need and never come back. So let me cancel it and show you how to set up yours. Now that it's gone, just click on setup. From here, you can choose between fixed amount, percentage off, free shipping if you do physical products. I'm just gonna keep it percentage off, put it on 40, and for the promo code, I'm just gonna add thank you 40. And here we have something very interesting. You can set an order minimum in terms of items or order total in terms of value, but I'm just gonna leave it at none. And that's everything. Just click create offer, and yeah, it's already done. And that's it. Now every time someone buys from you, Etsy will automatically send them your thank you coupon in the background. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.